So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to limit buy Polygon, ticker symbol MATIC or MATIC here in Canada on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, simply go into your crypto account. Once you're in your crypto account, go to the bottom bar here and press on the magnifying glass. Once you're on this screen, scroll down to where it says trending categories, and where it says crypto, press on crypto. Then once you're in this screen, if you want to limit by Polygon, simply go down to where it says Polygon right here, or ticker symbol MATIC with the purple logo. Press on Polygon. Now, as you can tell, I will press on buy at the bottom here. Now, if you want to set a limit buy for this, simply go to the top and press on market buy, change that all the way to where it says limit buy. Choose the highest price per coin you're willing to pay, your limit. Your order will only complete when your limit is met on the market. So I'll press on limit buy right here. Now to set your limit. So as you can tell, the MATIC price for me, MATIC, the Polygon price for me is $0 or 0.9505. So if I wanted to change the limit to 0.9500, right? For that example, I'll just press on continue. I will do $2 for this example as well. Press on continue. Now, what I've done now is I've set a limit price for this coin at 0.95, so 95 cents. Now, if it ever does reach this, it'll buy it automatically, and if it doesn't, the order will just not fulfill and will be canceled by the end of the trading day. So that is how you guys can limit buy Polygon, ticker symbol MATIC in Canada on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helps.